MSME registration. What is MSME registration? MSME registration is playing very important role the small and medium business across in India. Numerous surveys show that the country's true economic growth reckoned not just on its large-scale industries and foreign investment, but also on its small and medium-level industries that also include various cottage industries operating in India by looking towards the developing country like India, whose economy is basically dependent on agriculture and small-scale industries. So apply for MSME registration or SSI registration could be considered as to its backbone. In India, every state has its own tradition and culture which they follow and become eminent in that country, that kind of industry. No doubt that India is the country with this huge stock of natural resource with intense climate and variations. So promoting and working in such type of industries on a very large scale is very common among the traders. So you ultimately MSME registration are a certification which is issued by the respected state government department to available to benefits under the MSME Act. Now from the 2015 government modified the MSME or SSI registration and it has been changed into the Uddiyada registration. So why MSME registration are important for small business? MSME registration is really important for developing the transparency and accountability of the above mentioned industries. So government of India has basically categorized these industries which is known as MSME, micro, small and medium enterprise. MSME actually an authorized body that helps in promoting these industries throughout the country with the help of officially legalized act. One of the unique advantages of MSME registration is that is authorized numerous incentives and incentives to industries included under MSME Act. In order to subscribe under MSME, a MSME registration procedure is mandatory. Apart from the enterprise and as mentioned above, some firms or sub registration or public and private limited companies. LLPs are also eligible to apply registration under the MSME available for the benefits. So classification under MSME registration. An industry owner before applying for the registration of MSME should know the requirements to classify his company and must file his application in that category only in order to avoid any cumbersome technicalities. As a result of this, the government of India has come up with a set of rules and regulations for the industries in order to classify them. The classification is mentioned. I will discuss in here. First, micro industries, small industries, and medium industries. Micro industries, in applying for a registration of this kind of industries, your investment shall not exceed 25 lakhs for companies in the manufacturing sector and 10 lakhs for the service sector. And small industries, if, in small scale industries, the investment shall not exceed 5 crore for companies in the manufacturing sector and 2 crores for the service sector. Medium industries. When apply for medium industries, your investment shall not exceed 10 crores for companies in the manufacturing sector and 5 crore for the service sector. It is called medium enterprise. So MSME registration process. MSME registration process is completely online, but you have to require the professional to fill your application and getting approval from the department. MSMED Act is not compulsory for the companies, but it is always suggested for them in order to have the government backing of their company. As a result, numerous medium, small scale industry are stepping forward to register their company. The whole process of registration is the I will be discussing here. The registration process simply requires you an application for the MSME registration that you has to be prepared and submitted to the respective government office according to the latest rule and regulation. In addition to it, one has to fill One has to file it is personal details of kind of the industry they want to run and some of the respective documents as mentioned in here. Your Aadhaar number, name of applicant, social category, gender, name of enterprise, type of organization you are opting for, your PAN number, location of plant you are setting up in India, your current office address, mobile number, email ID, date of commencement of business, your bank account number, IFSC, main business activity of the enterprise, NIC two-digit code, additional details about business, number of employees, investment and plan machinery requirement, attachment of a scan copy of Aadhaar card, the usual time of 2 or 3 days for the complete documentation registration. Despite the fact that the registration process really has some industry owners feels necessary to complete all the formalities or to avoid any type of difficulties thereafter. So benefits under MSME registration online. MSME registration provides to you right to get avail benefits under the MSME scheme of the governments. One of the outstanding advantages of registration is that the government will include your company or business in the central and state government schemes. So one must get the complete advantage of the schemes. It will lead into the superior awareness about the smart child schemes and complete transparency of the government working process numerous benefits include simple ingress to various government subsidies and bank loans, ability to apply for the different government and beneficiary schemes and clarity in various laws are exercised, banking direct access and much more. Easy bank loans, all the business which are registered under the MSME can avail the benefits of regarding the bank loans. Banks are provide the collateral free loans where the property is not placed with the bank. Govt and SIDBI both create a separate legal entity which work is implement and schemes of all small and medium enterprise business. Reservation benefit government also amend the Industrial Act, where every small business which are registered under the MSME can avail in this scheme where you can increase your production of the goods and employment opportunities in the country. Yeah, easy to open business account or any other license registration, MSME registration certificate treat as legal entity of proof of the business so you can easily open a current bank account or mention your registration number while making another license like GST registration participation in the international trade fairs. All the small business have to expand their business across in the India and international level, which is required to exposure and support of the government. Corps provide benefits to participate and special consideration in the international and national trade fairs, which is organized by the MSME department. Octroi benefits under MSME small enterprise have to pay the octroi on the goods and service which is delivered by them, so it's increase the unnecessary cost sometimes. In this scheme, GOV provides the refund of the octroi and which is imposed on the goods and service, stamp duty and registration charges to from. Previously, all the enterprise which expand their business in the IT park stage and they will be available for the under the stamp act, but now all the small enterprise also you can avail these benefits exemption under the income tax are directors all the small business which are doing some really innovative or towards the society improvement then they can take the benefits of the income tax in the initial years. Even under the startup India scheme same benefits are introduced by the government, get reimbursement under the barcode registration. Small enterprise have required lot of mandatory register to the run and their product based business. So all the manufacturing units require the barcode registration. Under the scheme, you are the eligible for the subsidy under the barcode registration. Various subsidy for the NSIC, National Skill Industry Corporation, performance of the credit rating. Under this scheme, all the small enterprise can avail the benefits of the subsidy on various expenses through NSIC performance. Industrial promotion subsidy under the scheme, government wants to promote of the small enterprise, so they provide benefits regarding industrial promotion in scheme of subsidy. protection of delay payments from buyers. And this is the most common problem for a small business, and buyers are always delay and payments to the small business. But under the scheme, all the enterprise are protected, can file case against the buyer and settle on the dispute and minimum rate. So there are many benefits. So I will suggest to you, if you doing business, so first you register your business under MSME Act, and you will available the benefits. You will get the many benefits from this MSME. So please register your business under MSME, the Uddogada registration. So thanks for watching this video.